To make a credit card payment on HSBC Bank, follow these steps. Log into online banking. Open your browser or the HSBC app and log into your HSBC online banking account using your credentials. Select Payments and Transfers. Once logged in, navigate to the Payments and Transfers section on the main dashboard. Choose Credit Card Payment. Select the option to pay your credit card bill. This may be listed as Pay Credit Card or similar. Select your credit card account. Choose a credit card from the list of accounts linked to your HSBC online banking. Enter payment amount. Decide how much you want to pay, whether it's the minimum payment, the full balance, or a custom amount. You can also choose to pay more than the minimum to reduce interest charges. Choose payment method. Select the bank account from which you would like to make the payment. If you have multiple accounts linked to your HSBC, choose the one with available funds. Confirm payment. Review all the details, then click Confirm to authorize the payment. HSBC will process the payment and you will receive a confirmation receipt.